Hello. In this video, we discuss the deployment section of the dashboard. This section allows you to configure your networks and your user agents, and is the central hub for assigning your policies and block pages. Navigate to Deployments on the left. We're taken first to the Sites area. We're going to be very brief in this video because we cover how to configure a site in other videos. But here we see that we can edit a site by clicking on the name. We're able to enter and change IP addresses, assign policies, and assign block pages. Let's move on to the user agents section. This panel allows us to perform the same actions as we would on a site, but to an individual device. You can see here that I have a couple of Windows agents. Through the colored icons, I can see the current status of these agents. I see that one of them is green and online, one of them is red or offline, and one of them is gray with a slash through it, indicating that this agent was uninstalled. If I click on one of the computers, I have a few options here. I can change the name, the site that it's associated with, as well as any tags. Tags are useful because they allow me to have better categorization of the agent. For example, if I type development here and click save, I can now filter by that tag at the top to only show development computers. Another thing that I can do is assign policies and block pages to the agents. And this is a powerful thing because I can be as granular as possible. I could even create unique policies and assign them to each agent if I wanted. If I click to the area next to them, I'm given a drop-down menu from which I can assign the policies or block pages. This can also be done en masse by checking the agents you wish to edit and hitting the Edit button. Any changes I make in this menu will apply to all of the selected agents. This is where tags are powerful because I could first select the engineering department and then I could edit all of them to change them to the same policy. Let's take a look at the Install tab. The Install tab gives you all the necessary information to install the agents. You can download a copy of the latest roaming agent as well as generate the site secret key for the location that you wish to deploy the agent under. Agents are never independent, they're always tethered to a site, and this is because, for billing reasons, agents count along with the queries of that site. I'm going to select my headquarters location here. Once I do that, the site secret key is generated, and this will be the one piece of information that I need when installing the agent. We have separate videos which cover user agent deployment in various scenarios, so we'll go ahead and move on here. There are two other things here, and they apply to our mobile apps. The first is the daily mobile PIN. The PIN code changes every 24 hours and it's used by the agent to turn off or disable the mobile app. And the last button here is Enable Auto Registration. If you press this button, you'll be given a 1-week period in which mobile devices which are connected to a network that's registered already on your account will automatically be registered. You will not need the site secret key because we'll associate it once we recognize which network they're on. This was our introduction to the deployment section of the dashboard. Check out our other videos and documentation for more information, and thank you for watching.